Hey, what's up everybody, this is Kev and you're watching Noise Tech. LG is going to launch a new flagship. It will be the LG V40 ThinQ. And the best part about this, that it is going to be a true flagship. Let's call it the LG V40 in this video. So basically, it will be an iteration to the LG V30 but with some major improvements. The very first thing being that it is going to be a 5-camera smartphone. Yes, 5 freaking cameras, 3 on the back, 2 on the front. So it is going to be a killer camera smartphone. We have 3 cameras on the Huawei P20 Pro, and this time it will be the LG V40 ThinQ, which will be having 3 cameras at the back and 2 at the front. It is going to be a top of the line smartphone with almost 90% screen to body ratio. Yes, it is a smartphone with almost 90% screen to body ratio, and it is going to be a fantastic smartphone. The beauty of that OLED display and the 90% screen to body ratio is going to kill it. Now let's come to those cameras. There are going to be 3 cameras as I previously mentioned. One is going to be a normal primary lens. The other one will be a telephoto lens. And the third one will be a wide angle lens. The primary sensor being 20 megapixels. 16 megapixel will be the wide angle sensor and 13 megapixels will be the telephoto lens. It is going to be a killer smartphone and surely it will be a competition to the Pixel and the Huawei. And yes, I prefer the LG V30 over the Huawei anytime. So I will be picking the LG V40 ThinQ if you will be having it against the Huawei P20 Pro. Now there will be 2 front cameras. So yes, they will be helping in better bokeh shots and better portrait mode on the LG V40 ThinQ. Coming to specifications, it will be having the top of the line and the latest Snapdragon 845 up to 6GB of RAM, 128GB of storage. I don't know if there could be a 256GB option or not, but 128GB is for sure. And there will be many more improvements like AI technology improvements on the LG V40 when compared to the LG V30. And I've also heard that there can be a dedicated hardware sensor on the LG V40 for facial recognition. So this will be awesome. So yes, the LG V40 will be a fantastic phone. I mean, it could be a serious competition to the other phones that are present in 2018 and which will be coming in the future as well. So guys, this was a quick video on the LG V40 ThinQ. Thanks for watching guys, because that really helps. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it, and I'll see you in the next one.